good? What we have today is I got a toilet problem. My field valve went bad. So me personally, I don't like paying people to do something that I can do myself. All I do is take a little time, little tools to make it work. So I'm gonna show you how it's done just in case you don't know how to do it. So let's get it. Here go my field valve. The field valve went bad and it stopped putting water into the back of the tank so I can flush the toilet. So the process is real simple. What you have to do is this little knob, I don't know if yours look like that. Yeah, you cut it out. Once you cut it off, you drain the toilet. I'm making it short and sweet, so I have everything ready. So once you do that, you get your bucket. And the reason why you get your bucket is because even though you drain the toilet, you didn't get everything. You unscrew this. You unscrew it, it hooks up to the valve. See that? Water. Then once you unscrew it, you unscrew the valve. And there's another one off in there. You don't need no channel locks. You don't need nothing. All you need is to unscrew. Alright. Once my toilet get done pissing, you pull the valve out. Now, here she comes. There she goes. You know what? That's actually the same thing as this one. This must be the new and improved version. But hey, oh well, let's try it. All right. Last but not least, before you hook it up, you see these ridges? Basically, you unscrew it and you pull it up. The ridges are the gauge level. So what you do, you put it in, then you twist it to open it up. Then once you feel you got the designated gauge level, you twist it back in place, and when your water reach that height, it'll cut off. So the only reason why I'm showing you this is because I'm not going to show you this once I get it in. So that's the reason for the gauge. That's the reason for the levels. All right, so I dropped it in. So you do everything reverse. This little, you get it, and you hook it back up. Screw it back on. Make sure it's tight. Get your water going. Make sure you don't have no leaks. Oh, she's working. Yeah. She's working.